Inspirational short story. The Smart Worker. Once upon a time, a very strong woodcutter asked for a job with a timber merchant, and he got it. The pay was excellent, and so were the work conditions. For that reason, the woodcutter was determined to do its best. His boss gave him an axe and showed him the area where he was supposed to work. On the first day, the woodcutter brought 21 trees. "Congratulations," the boss said. "Go on that way." Motivated by the boss's words, the woodcutter tried harder the next day, but he could only bring 17 trees. He tried even harder on the third day, but he could only bring 10 trees. Day after day, he was bringing fewer and fewer trees. "I must be losing my strength," the woodcutter thought. He went to the boss and apologized, saying that he could not understand what was going on. "When was the last time you sharpened your axe?" the boss asked. "Sharpen? I had no time to sharpen my axe. I have been swamped trying to cut trees." Moral of the story. This is one of those inspirational stories meant to teach us about working smarter. Even if you're the hardest working student in your university, you'll still fall behind if you're not smart about your decisions. Please, like, share and follow.